to my channel, and in today's video we are going to look at transformation in SPSS, and in this case we are going to look at computation. So the first thing you're supposed to do is to import data. You have data already, and I'm going to go and import my data. Going to use new data use, and then I'm told that already variables names. Okay, I click continue. Then my data is already in the box. So for me to do a computation of steps, we are going to learn about transformation. And in terms of transformation, there are a lot of action that we can do. So in this video, we are going to be specific to computation. So we are going to click transform, and then we are going to do computation. And in this case, I want to compute mean of the income after the project. So this data was a data for people who receive an intervention, and we collected data in terms of income before and income after. So I want to look at the income mean after the intervention. So we are going to, our target variable is going to be, I'm going to put transform income after. So this is a continuation of word, because SPSS is a space sensitive. So if you want to use space, you use underscore. And for my case, I don't want to use the underscore, but can use underscore, which is accepted by SPSS. But if you use space, SPSS is space sensitive. So we are going to click where to have that target variable as transformation income after, and then we're going to pick the income after. We take it here. So I've said that we are going to look at the mean. So we say income after is equal to not sorry, we say we have taken the income here into the window, and then we say slash to divide by 12, because I've said that we want to look at the mean income for the 1 year. And then you click OK, and then you go to the output window where you get your computation. Your computation have been generated. So you go to your data sets, and then you first go to variable view to see if the variable has been added. So the variable has been added, and we have transformation income. And then for you to see if data has been added, also you go to data view window, and then you use this to scroll, and then you see at data mean income for the year has been generated. So that's how you can carry out transformation in terms of computation in SPSS.